Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we talk about Git and Github, let me tell you 2 or 3 things. Let's assume this. You are currently working on a big project for your company, your administration, or whatever. Okay, let's assume also you are 90% rich. That is, you are almost done everything. And let's also imagine that your computer crashes and everything goes down. What happened? It may be that project could have taken you something like 1 month, 3, 2, 5, 10, or even a year. So what will happen? Now, this is where a version control system come into our earth. That is Git and Github. So it's very important to host your code online instead of your local computer. Of course, you can store both on online and offline, but it's also better to always store it online, such that it will be accessible from everywhere on any computer with only your credential. So today, programmers are not more working only locally, because it can cause a loss of enough money. Just take the problem that I'm just from explaining to you. That will be a lot of loss. So it's very important to have where to store or to keep your code secure, reliable. So this is where we are going to talk about Git and Github, which is very useful to overcome this problem, this kind of problem. So let's go and talk about Git and Github. First of all, what is GitHub? GitHub is a subsidiary of Microsoft which provides hosting for software development and version control using Git. We are going to talk a bit about Git in a minute. GitHub offers the distributed version control and source code management functionality of Git plus its own features. It provides access control and several collaboration features such as bug tracking, feature request, task management, continuous integration, and wikis for every project. In the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link about GitHub so that you can go and see a little bit more about GitHub. Now, what is Git? Git is a distributed version control system for tracking changes in any set of files, originally designed for coordinating work among programmers cooperating on source code during software development. Its goal includes speed, data integrity, and support for distributed non-linear workflow. So that's it, a little bit about Git and GitHub. Again, I'm going to leave links in the description of this video so that you can browse and learn more about Git and GitHub. So now we are going to see how to set up Git on our computer. So let's go first of all and see how to set up Git on our computer. First of all, this is the Git website. So as you can see, you can go there and read more about Git and GitHub. So as you can see, we are here, we have about the documentation and all of that. So you can just go there and read a little bit about that. So how to install Git? Let's go on download. As we click on the download button, you see we have 3 operating systems: Mac OS X, Windows, and Linux. So if you go for Linux, to install, as you can realize, it's easier to install Git on Linux using the the preferred package manager of your Linux distribution. If you prefer to build from source, you can find tablet on kernel.org. The latest version is 2.29.2. Okay, so depending on your distribution of Linux, you can then look there and then just copy the command and enter those commands in the terminal. So by copying this command and entering to the terminal, you are installing Git on your Linux operating system, Ubuntu and Debian distribution. So please don't forget to put sudo before entering this command. Yes, and then when you are going to enter that, you are going to enter your password for Linux operating system. So it's very easy and straightforward to do it. So I've already done that, so you can just go through and then install it on your Linux operating system. So that is it about for Linux operating system. If you go back for Windows, you just click on Windows operating system and then you start downloading. After that has been downloaded, I'm going to leave also a description on the of this video, the link of how to install GitHub on your Windows operating system. So this, as you are going to open the link, those are the steps to set up Git on your operating system. As you can see, you first of all download from the Git website, download for Windows, and then once it's okay, you just go in your download folder where the file has been downloaded and then double click on that. Just click and say yes, click here, next. You choose the file, the browse where the Git is going to set up, and then just click on next. Also click on next, and then choose the default, choosing the default editor used by Git. So you are just going here to choose the default editor that you'll be using by Git, but you can of course change it later. So after that, just click on next. Also, please, you are here to say that at this point, you need to be very careful. Please, this radio button in red, so please make sure that you choose this one, Git from the command line tool, also from the third-party software, so that you can use Git command through your Windows terminal. So and then just click on next, and then next. Here choose checkout style, commit Unix style, line editing, and then just click on next. Also here choose use min TTTY, the default terminal of MSYS2, and then just click on next, and then install. That's going to process for the installation, and then just click finish. To launch Git Bash, as you can see there, just enter in the search field of your Windows Git Bash, then it's going to open that. So that's all about setting up Git on our Windows operating system. So for Mac, it's exactly the same procedure so as Linux. So for Mac, you just go click here and install. As you can see, it's very straightforward. Okay, if you have not yet installed Homebrew on your Mac, please try to install it before entering this command, and then Git will be installed on your Windows, on your Mac operating system. After that has been installed, please just enter at the command prompt of your Mac or Linux operating system Git space -- version. If the setup has been successful, then it will give you back the version of Git that you have installed. Okay, I hope guys you enjoy this part, and then let's move forward and see how to install. Now we are going to see how to create our GitHub account. If you don't yet have that, just click on the open your favorite browser. Here I am on Chrome. Just enter GitHub. Then this page will open. Then just click on this. It will direct you to the GitHub website. Then if you don't yet have an account, then we are going to see how to sign up for a GitHub account. Here I already have my GitHub account, so you are just going to enter your username. Let me just enter Peter Landry. So you need to, the name should be verified, so Peter Landry Walker. Let me just enter Walker and see if they say the username may contain alphanumeric character or single hyphen and cannot begin with a hyphen. Yeah, of course. So let me just put like this. Okay, you see now the name is valid. Here just enter your email. You just enter your email. Me, I already have, so I will just enter my email there. Then enter your password. Okay, they say that the email has already been taken. Let me just put an email that not yet exists, and then let's process forward. But you are going to create your account and then enter your email there. Please, if you don't yet have an email account, please check in the one of my tutorial how to create your Gmail account. So it's processed forward, so it's loading, and then you need to verify, okay, that you're actually not a robot. So they say that pick a dice pair with the same icon facing up. So if you check here well, we see that this one is okay, so we are one down. Again, check the same. You see that is this one that is okay. Third, choose this one, and then we are done. Okay, now let's process forward. By clicking okay, here we say that welcome to GitHub. And then you can just go through and read, and then read. You find a lot of interesting information. So okay, just click on this complete setup. Okay, they sent you, GitHub actually sent you an email. So you are going to enter to your email inboxes, and then you will look for the email that has been sent to you by GitHub. So just confirm yes. If you have not yet received, just click on this recent verification email. If that's done, then so good. You are just going to confirm there, and then your GitHub account will be set up, and that will be great. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video tutorial, you are going to see some basic Git command. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next. Bye.